Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an unforgettable bike trip or bicycle trip. Bike means motorbike or bicycle, both are there. When it was, now it's all in past tense. When it was, where you went, location, what happened during the trip, and how you felt about it. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, so I'm going to narrate about my real life incident. I was with my brother, and this incident happened about almost 3 years back. I was in Faisalabad, and at that time I was studying in my college. My brother came to pick me up from the college, and we were returning back to our home. Okay, at returning to home, on the way I was trying to conversate with my brother. Actually, my brother is deaf and dumb, so I was using sign language to conversate with him. Actually, I wanted to buy something before going to home, and when my brother tried to respond to me, he used his hands, and all of a sudden he lost his concentration on driving. And all of a sudden another bike came in front of us, and our bike hit another bike. 4 people fell on the road, and we were really shocked. But all of a sudden I realized that my brother is deaf and dumb, and is unable to conversate with other guy about the fault. So I just stood up suddenly, and I just came between both the boys and tried to compensate the other guy by saying apology to that guy. Fortunately, that guy was really sportive and cooperative, and he understood my point, and he just went away. And after that incident, I just really felt really embarrassed, and I considered my fault that I was not vigilant on the road, and I tried to distract my sibling. So that I think that is really embarrassing.
Okay, all right. You spoke for 1 minute 40 seconds. It is fine. I just found some grammatical mistakes. Overall, it was good. Like you said, returning back. Return means to come back. So with return, we don't need to use back. Then you said, I was trying to conversate, and you use the word conversate 3 to 4 times. Now, actually, conversation is the noun and converse is the verb. So I was trying to converse with my brother.
Okay.
Right? Conversate is wrong, converse. Right? So these type of mistakes I found, but overall it was fine. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Do people in your country offer travel by bike?
Yes, of course. Pakistan is considered to be a developing country, so most of the people cannot afford to buy the luxuries of life. So most of the people, so according to my observation, most of the people are forced to buy bikes for their
okay, to travel by bikes for their daily commute. Just finish it like that. Okay. Which is more convenient, bicycle or a car?
Actually, it depends. If you want to enjoy your journey, or you want to enjoy the comfort of your journey, then I will go for the car. But if you want to go at any place early, then I will go for the bike, because it is safer to go on bike in traffic packed areas.
Okay. Do you think that children should learn the skills of riding from an early age?
If we are going to talk about the bicycle, then yes, I think children are encouraged to do bicycling at very early age, because it is considered to be a very good exercise for the children. But if we are going to talk about the bike or car, then I'm against it, because government has announced the proper age for this thing, so I'm not going to recommend it.
Okay. Do you think cycling is a good way to exercise?
Yes, of course. I really appreciate cycling as an exercise, because it is my personal experience. I used to do cycling a lot. Before cycling, I just felt a lot of pain in my legs, but after cycling, it just relieved me a lot.
Okay, so just try to add a little more to part 3. Overall answers are good. Few grammatical mistakes as I found. So I would give you 6.5 for now, but you can make it 7 while you overcome these mistakes. Thank you.